Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku. This is level 41. Let's start. Alright, we need to collect 8 cats. For now we have 2.
Nice!
This one was number 3.
Great!
Alright, number 4 is done.
Perfect!
Alright, number 5 as well. We need 3 more. Let's see. Maybe there. No. So here is the green one. Alright, the yellow one is there. We need one more. It's not here, so it is here. Alright guys,